Hello guys, welcome back to my video. This is Harshvardhan from IIT Bhubaneswar. So, in our Python series, today we are going to discuss about very important topic while using the mathematical calculations, that is order of preference. Okay, while using the order of preference, I hope in your childhood you have seen this word many times, that is BODMAS. So B O D M yes, BODMAS rule. So it is called as a BODMAS rule, which was used for evaluating the mathematical calculation when multiple operations are doing at a same time. So here we will expand it carefully. Here B stands for bracket. Here B stands for bracket. O stands for order of powers. Order of powers. Order of powers is nothing but like x square. This is called order of powers, x square, x cube, or x power anything. Okay, so BOD. D stands for division. You can use any type of a division. D. M. M stands for multiplication. M stands for multiplication. And of course, now coming to A stands for addition. And A stands for addition. And finally, S stands for subtraction. Okay, this is the BODMAS rule and everything at the abbreviation of BODMASing, and I have defined very clearly. Okay, now we will see how this will be affected in a tabular form. So here we can clearly see this is first one. Okay, in this way my order of preference will go. Okay, this is second, this is third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. These are the seven that you need to remember. And this first one is indicates, I will change my color. I will write black. Okay. So this first one indicates it is a bracket. It's a bracket. Of course, yes. It is exponential. First of all, we will fill this table and proceed with the implementation. This is a division, and there is a multiplication symbol here. So multiplication. This is addition and subtraction. And these are the relational operators. Hope if you seen my past videos, this is a relational operators. This is assignment operators. This is assignment operators, and these are the logical operators that we have seen in our previous classes. So the mathematical expression will go in this form. Suppose, for example, we will discuss with the example now, so you will get more clarity. Suppose I will explain here. Now assume that I have given like 5 plus 2 into 5. Now guess how this operation will work. Anyone can guess how this operation will work. Here you will face the difficulty. Here there may be two possibilities. Okay. The first possibility, I will add 5 plus 2, it is 7. So 7 into 5, it is 35. So it is my first case. Remember carefully, it is my first case. And my second case is, I will write the same. So 5 plus 2 into 5. My second case, I will multiply this. So 2 5s, 10 plus 5 equal to 15. This is my second case. So I am having a two cases. The first one is 35 and second one is 15. Now which one is correct? Okay. To avoid this dilemma, we will use the rule of Bodmas rule. Okay, what does the Bodmas rule specifies? Bodmas rule specifies if there is a, like multiple operations, first consider here multiplication. So here multiplication comes. You can see here multiplication after addition. Okay, so first consider multiplication. So 5 to 10. Now consider the addition operation. So 15. So answer is 15. So answer is 15 and it is not 35. So you can easily neglect the 35 and you can proceed with the answer 15. In the same way, we will solve some of the examples in our Jupyter Interactive Notebook. Okay. Now we will proceed with Jupyter Notebook. So this is our Jupyter Notebook. Here, for example, I will use the same what we have discussed here. 5 plus 2 into 5. Okay. So 5 plus 2 into 5. Of course, you can see the answer is 15. So the same operation, what the same explanation which I have given is executed here carefully. Okay, but I will change slightly. Now I will keep 5 plus 2 in bracket. 5 plus 2 now into 5. Now for this, you try to think once carefully. When we execute 5 plus 2 bracket into 5. So I will write here in a new page I will start. So if I has taken 5 plus 2 in a bracket into 5. So first bracket term will be executed in the form of a board master rule. You can clearly see bracket is first it need to be executed. So first the bracket term will be executed. So what 5 plus 2? 7 into 5. So now the answer should come as 35. Now we will see carefully whether the answer is coming as 35 or not. Of course. Wonderful. So the answer is coming as a 35. So in the first case, it is 15, and in the second case, it is 35. Why? Because the priority of operation changes. In the first case, priority is given to multiplication, but in the second case, due to brackets, the priority is given to addition first. Okay. So the order of preference tells that the order of priority that need to be given to the some mathematical operation in order to evaluate the answer. Okay. Now we proceed further. Suppose I will write a random equation. We will try to execute from here. 5 plus 2, 10 plus 2 into 4 divided by 2. Now think what can be the answer? Just think what can be the answer. So in order if you think 10 plus 2 into 4 by 2. Okay. So 10 plus 2 into 4 by 2. Now see carefully. In order to execute the multiplication operation, let's try it. Now, suppose Bodmas rule, Bodmas, Bodmas rule. First apply the division operation. So 4 by 2 is 2. 2 into 2 plus 10. 2 into 2, 4 plus 10, 10 plus 4, 14. So the answer should be 14. Now we will proceed with verification whether it is 14 or not. Yes, of course. The answer is 14. But it is coming in the form of 14.0. It is coming in the form of a float value. In order to avoid this float, just to do integer division. So for the integer division, you proceed with by. So now you can clearly see the answer is a 14. So in this manner, we generally evaluate the order of preference for mathematical calculation. So in if you are given any form of the equation in any competitive exams or any programming language, just use this Bodmas rule. If you use this Bodmas rule, your calculation will become simple. Simple. Okay. And one thing that I will tell you that is very very important, that now I will apply the mathematics on logical operators. Okay. So that is very very important. I will apply on logical operators. Suppose I have given 10 and 5. Okay. You are clear? I have given like 10 and 5. Now think what can be the output. So what I have given, just wait for 1 minute. So now think I have given for you the value of 10 and 5. If I have told that there is a true and true, there is a true, and any number other than 0 is a true. So true and true, the answer is true. But the system but the system really provide the answer as a true for this? Absolutely no. The system will not provide the answer as true. Why? Because the system will consider as the first one as a true and second one as a true, and if both are true, it will give the last value which is the true. Means it will give this value which is a true. So while we are executing 10 and 5, the answer is 5. So answer should become as a 5. In this manner, generally true or false operation will be executed for AND operation. So our answer need to be come as 5. Now we will proceed whether it is really coming as a 5 or not. If we process, it is a 5, wonderful. Okay, so we are getting 5 as our answer, which is a required. But this is not known for many students, because generally we will apply for Boolean values, true and true, true or false. But what will happen if we execute for numbers like integers and anything? Now, think this operation 10 and 0. What can become it as 0? Why it is coming as 0? The similar explanation. Why it is 0? Because you know that 10 and 0, it is a true, and if it is a 0, what is it? If it is a 0, it is a false. What is true and false? It is false. Then what is the false value that it is holding? It is 0. So the answer is displayed as 0. Okay, now hope you understand why this order of preference is very important for a mathematical calculation. In order to avoid the calculation errors, we use the Bodmas rule, and these are the examples that I have explained. You can try with multiple examples, like you can do the longest expression and you can try to solve it manually, and you give it to the system and you compare your answer with the system answer. Okay, this is for this video guys. If you like my content, please like my video, share among your friends, subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys, thank you so much.